For this challenge, you're given a single binary and it takes in one input. And if you look at the disassembly, the first line just stores that input argument 1 into a variable, so we can rename that to input. Boom. And then second variable is a bunch of Boolean checks, where it just basically just checks the input character by character against hard-coded values. So it's very simple. We can also rename that to just checks. And then yeah, all you have to do really is just convert each of these numeric values to characters, so you can actually see what the values are. Most disassemblers should have some kind of like converting function, but you can just, I guess, Google it if you want the hard way. And then after that, it's just, make sure all the checks are correct, and then it checks the length, and then it just prints well done. So all you really have to do is just convert them. Pretty basic sanity check kind of problem, and you should get something that looks like this.